In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Shopify affiliate program. Whether you're an experienced marketer or just dipping your toes into the world of affiliate marketing, this program can be an excellent opportunity to earn a commission by promoting one of the leading e-commerce platforms. Let's get started. First, navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to the Shopify affiliate program page. A quick online search for Shopify affiliate program should take you directly there. Once you're on the page, take a moment to get familiar with the program's overview. This is where you'll find valuable information about the benefits, potential earnings, and responsibilities that come with being an affiliate. Reading through this will help you understand what to expect and how you can potentially maximize your earnings. Now, locate the Apply Now or similar button on the page. Clicking this will direct you to an application form where you'll be required to enter some personal details. Make sure you have everything on hand to ensure a smooth application process. This usually includes basic information like your name, email address, and occasionally more detailed professional background information. It's important to be as thorough and accurate as possible with the information you provide. This helps Shopify understand who they're dealing with and evaluate how you might be a good fit for their program. After inputting your personal details, you'll notice sections that require information about your marketing strategies. This is your chance to shine. You'll want to explain clearly how you plan to promote Shopify. Whether you intend to use blog posts, social media platforms, or another avenue, it's crucial to convey your expertise and outline your plan effectively. Don't worry if you're relatively new to some tactics, just be honest about your strengths and how you can learn. Proceed to the Terms and Conditions section, which you should read carefully. Understanding the rules and guidelines is vital as it helps you stay compliant and aware of your role and rights as an affiliate. Once you've reviewed the terms, you'll typically have to agree to them before you can proceed, so make sure you're okay with all stipulations. Once you've completed the form, submit your application. You should receive a confirmation email indicating that your application has been received. Keep an eye on your inbox, as Shopify will follow up with whether your application has been approved or if further information is needed. Patience is key here. Sometimes it may take a bit of time to hear back. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to joining the Shopify affiliate program. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application.